guys, back to my Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it hot. It's like hot like what? Scotch bonnet pepper! Come on guys, Scotch bonnet pepper up the thing. Anyway guys, welcome back. Today I am me and my grandchildren, all of my grandchildren. Sorry, I take that back. Not all of them. Some of them is here with me, and we're gonna do some painting, some Easter egg, some what do you call them one day? Some rabbit, some bunny rabbit, you know. And this one says squirrels. If you want to see a squirrels, it look like bunny rabbit to me. So that is what we're going to be painting today. Unfortunately, guys, all of my grandkids them couldn't be here with me today. Okay, guys. So anyway, guys, we are going. Before we go any further, like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell thing so you don't miss a post when she posts.
Hit that bell button.
And click the part. What you say, God? Come on, let me hear what you say.
Hit that bell button.
Okay, I want to hear that. On the bell button. Alright. So guys, see what I'm gonna paint? Them have egg, them have rabbit, bunnies. And bunnies are whatever them call it, and them have eggs and bunnies again. So them are gonna go into eggs, them painting. And when them done paint, them have little food where them are gonna eat. So that's what we are gonna do for them today, guys. And we just hang out and chill out for the day. So we are gonna watch them as them. And the next thing with this thing. Anybody who have the most beautiful bunny and nice, pretty egg, nicely decorated, painted, they have a prize.
Can I play?
Anybody can play. Anybody can play. Anybody can play. It's a fair game. Okay, so now get the artist that what's who know the body and put it, do the artwork on the something there. And make we see.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it's your talk show host Cyan here in the building, and I'll be doing some of the narration. We have Jalen, and he has this little bunny that he's gonna paint. What vibe are you going for?
I'm just gonna use
You don't know yet?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Okay. Timur's going with this bunny. She has a little bit of yellow going on over here. How's it going?
Bad.
Oh.
Sad.
I said bad. What about you?
Good.
Okay. You're gonna paint the eggs?
Here, what is sit on this? Move. But you don't do the paint panic though.
I make no promises.
So is it just
Not me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be painting this little bit of a, what do you call
That's
this?
a
chick? Yeah, I'm gonna be painting this chick, and you guys already know I'm about to win this challenge, so let's get into it.
Wait.
Bro, I learned about soil.
You're a scientist at my school.
Right, Kimura learned about soil texture. Yes, Isaac Newton.
Granddad, stop stepping on my toes.
I don't know how these kids so miserable. Everything,
right?
every move, one of them complain.
You stepped on my toe.
Gosh, just in the way, so.
Stop moving the table.
Oh my, who's moving the table?
Granddad. Oh my God.
Granddad, just stay still.
I don't even touch the table.
Granddad, stay still.
Granddad, stay still. It's not safe for you right now.
At all.
Jesus, Lord, we need help.
Guys, see all of them?
Alright, come take a look at my progress, you guys.
Let me see your progress.
Actually, I don't want to show nobody too much, but like...
I already saw it.
Okay. Alright.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me see what Papa deal with. Yes, Papa. Papa have a pink rabbit.
It's a purple rabbit.
I don't even know what color this is.
blind?
What's purple?
Oh, this one is so you know what. I don't want to call no name, but this one look. Yeah, man, see me sweetest. See me sweetest granddaughter.
Your sweetest what?
Granddaughter.
Who? Of the
This
minute.
one.
His sweetest
Right,
granddaughter.
of
the minute.
Of
That's
the minute.
not when he said when I went to go say hi to him. He said of them all.
Mother, you don't. He be lying. Like he lies to everybody.
At least I know I'm his
Like Kimaya says she go say she goes after her, she's his favorite, so.
Who, Kimaya?
Yeah.
Of course, every day Kimaya knows that she had the favorite.
He tells us all of us the same thing.
Oh, all of you guys are my favorite, but my favorite is.
And he only has one sweet, nice favorite
Yes,
granddaughter.
yes.
Which is
that
me.
is- No. She's the only one. You know, so right away she talk about
Had to mix up.
herself because
Nobody mix up no color paint. Yeah, paint.
Jesus,
What the hell you doing?
who is this? Kimo?
Yes.
Kira, can you hold this? I really need for to do my ones.
Oh wait, there's paint. There's paint. I just put the paint in my mouth. Oh god.
Let her hungry shop paint in our
I am hungry. In fact, I can't wait for a slice of pizza.
Come on, cook up the pizza.
I know. I can't wait.
Salmon egg.
You guys don't want it very
When
much
they
either.
start to watch these videos, they're gonna be like, wait, is this Kayla's channel? Is this Mama Jones' channel? Is this Jada's channel?
Everybody.
It's Mama Jones.
Who's it?
Mama Jones.
So guys, I have 2 pizza ready here for those rugrats. So I'm gonna slice this up for them. I have a shrimp and a pepperoni ready. So I'm gonna feed these rugrats. They're gonna take a break and come eat and go back. I mean, not stop calling them rugrats because you guys are rugrats. Okay. So guys, look at it. They're working very hard. You know, this is what Miss Kira have up here. She have a nice egg, very pretty.
It's a head.
And Kimaya is doing her rabbit over here. Wow. Our rabbit have a yellow head and a pink body and a red tail. That's very unique rabbit. Let me see what Papa have over here.
I need to give my egg some aesthetic.
This is what Papa have over here. His eggs, very pretty. His rabbit, lots of colors. Okay. Let me see what Miss Urban Sai have here.
Oh, this is my egg right here.
This is her egg.
I'm working on my border because I'm gonna frame it. So
Okay. So that is that. So, Lily, what do you have
I
going
quit.
on here? You what?
I quit.
You quit?
Yeah.
Okay, well if you quit, you
See,
need...
my thing is right there, and then it's my emo bunny.
Okay, so she lied when she said she
This
quit.
was mine.
This is hers, whatever emo
It look
bunny
real
she
cute.
have.
That's not an emo bunny.
And-
That's the emo bunny.
Well, she said that's hers over there, and then she said emo bunny. So I don't know. So that's what she said.
Lady, where you talking about?
Where you say a while ago?
I said, what are you talking about?
No. I want you to say what you just said.
I said, what are you talking
No, you did not. You said, lady, what you chat about?
No, I said, what are you talking about?
That's the way we want to hear what you said. Okay.
Put our diamonds from money now.
Mhm. And this now is Miss JD.
Look like Jada.
Oh, our mother said look like Kirk, so I guess she have 2 diamonds in her ears. Let me see what she have in her ears then. You never see 2 diamonds, but she said it's 2.
Girl, there's 2 diamonds. There's one here. Mine did get the earwax. Like, what if I have earwax in my ear? You're just zooming
So
in.
nothing wrong, so we have to zoom in to see the diamond. If earwax in there, you should not get it out.
Sticking the whole camera in the ears. But yeah, guys, this is mine. Cyan sabotaged me a little bit.
Alright, so why you have to word it like that? Because that's not what happened.
Cyan sabotaged me. Threw her something them look good, and she don't want nobody to even have a chance. We didn't, but
Grandma already said, what the hell is that when she came over?
that's what she said. And my grandfather told me that it was beautiful.
Okay.
Papa Ari, did you lie?
No.
That's nice. That's nothing wrong with that.
What about mine?
You know, so you quit.
What about keyboards?
Kimo.
Okay, this is Keymore's rabbit. What you said? What is your rabbit, Keymore?
Aesthetic.
As our rabbit is ecstatic.
Aesthetic.
And this is,
She said what?
Not extension, aesthetic.
I never say extension, I say ecstatic. It is ecstatic? Okay.
Whatever
ecstatic.
aesthetic you say.
Ecstatic, she said. Is it ecstatic, JD? Okay. So guys, I'm just waiting for them to finish up now, then we can choose the winner. Alright?
So guys, this is my finished product. I have my egg and I have my little chipmunk. So I did paint this egg. As you can see, it's even.
Are you sure that's not a duck?
Anyways, guys, this is my finished product.
Okay, you want to pick it up?
Yeah. So this is the egg.
Don't drop it.
Drop it. Sam, you just take that egg from off.
You guys need not to be talking in my show and tell. Like, oh my god, you guys are so annoying.
Okay.
And then this is my chick. As you guys can see, I have some framing. Oh, don't mind my outfit. This is a fashion statement. I have some framing around it, as you can see, so that everything pops out and looks very bold. As you can see, it has some eyelashes and everything, a nice smile, a little bit of blush, an ombre effect. I also added some texture to the feathers with a darker yellow, and this is my finished product. So you guys, let me know what y'all think of my egg down below.
It looks disgusting.
I just have a question. How did you do the little line in the mouth? Because none of the brushes here can go that.
Baby, honestly, all you need to know is I made do, and I made it work.
That's fake.
You may do with which.
I made it work, baby.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
That's from the tree of the...
Well, guys, this is my egg. See?
Even so happy Easter, lad.
My Easter egg, me make that one here.
She gonna make it.
Just pick up my egg and I make it drop and broke.
Shut up, I me make your egg. I talk nice.
Mommy, can we see the bottom?
Oh no!
Anyway, guys, this is my. Oh, I almost dropped it. This is my little Easter bunny. I was going for the marble effect, but this is how it came out. The paint wouldn't dry, so I had to blow dry it. So yeah, this is what it looked like. The little diamonds in the ears and the little face. And this is me. Mom said I look like me, but whatever. And that's that.
Okay. This is my egg, and this is my Kinder Surprise.
That's it?
What else am I supposed to say?
I don't know.
I didn't put a name. And I didn't use a technique, and I didn't use a soft stroke brush and a low stroke brush and a medium sized brush. And I did an ombre. I just painted. Oh, I used a technique for this.
What is it called?
It's called the Joan effect.
Kira.
Right. Add green.
No. You scrunch this. Grandma knows what I'm talking about, man.
Okay. So Kimor, tell us what you have already painted for me.
I have 2 bunnies.
Speak up, honey, so I could hear you.
I have 2 bunnies and 1 egg.
2 bunnies and 1 egg. So the egg is very beautiful, and the bunny. So what you call the bunny? You have a black bunny and a multicolor bunny. What's going on here with your bunnies? Black and multicolor are what?
Aesthetic.
Say it now that I hear you.
Aesthetic.
Beautiful. Okay, Jillian, tell us about your bunny. Tell me what you have there for me.
Okay, so first I have this egg. It's a very beautiful egg because I made it.
Yeah,
So
it's very pretty. It's a lot of green and a little pink in there, but
Pink,
it's
black,
okay.
Blue, green,
Yeah.
purple. What? Pink, black, blue, green, purple.
Okay.
And then I have this bunny. I have this bunny. Wait. Her name is Toki.
Okay.
She's a very chill, relaxed bunny. And she's meditating.
Okay. That's very nice. Okay, guys, so we're gonna see what Kimaya paint for us.
So I have my bunny that is yellow, red, blue, pink, and green.
Okay.
Multicolor.
Yeah.
And I have my egg that's red and blue.
Shut up.
And I have my other bunny that's green, red, and blue, red, yellow, and blue.
That's another
Black.
multicolor bunny. Okay.
And then I have my other bunny.
Damn, it just has shine.
And I have my other bunny that's red.
That's very pretty.
This was supposed to be pink, but I painted it with the other colors. And that's blue and green and yellow and brown, orange. And then I put gemstones on it.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is all the bunnies that they paint and the eggs. And guys, you guys.
Oh my gosh, whose is this? I love this one.
That's mine.
This one I wish I did show you guys already. It was
Malia's.
Malaya's, and she said
But
she
I got
forfeit.
disqualified.
She said she forfeit or she quit or whatever the case might be. But I did show you her buttons or thing that she did before. Her bunny that she did.
Our bunny, honey. And that's it.
Okay.
Our honey bunny.
So guys, now you guys see all of the bunnies that they painted, guys. And I have to say, I'm not being biased. I have to say Cyan is the winner.
That's not being biased.
So guys, you guys can comment below. Comment below.
Shut up.
We all collectively agree that Sai is the winner.
Yeah, no bias.
There's no prize. Everybody stopped me a long time.
Don't tell me.
There's no prize.
Because you wouldn't have been saying that.
There's no prize.
Kira is in second place.
You're lying.
How's Kira in second place? How am I not in second place? Like, look at me and Cyan and then put everyone else together. Like, let's
So Kira is in second place.
And Lily in third?
And I would have to say Lily wouldn't be in third place.
There's just no way. Girl, I don't know credit.
And I would have to say Jada, I would put her in fourth place.
Put me in the in my eyes.
So that's how it goes. Papa running fifth. So Papa is running fifth.
You guys are so mean to little kids.
And the
Papa
little
is before Jada.
No, he's not.
Yes,
He stole my
Papa
design.
is running fifth. People can say whatever they want said. I am judging, and you guys
No,
can.
she's being biased.
You guys can.
Biased.
You guys can comment below and tell me who you think is the winner. But I know where them go. The two little young one here, which is these two here, they are top guns. So them not in the class of the other one. The other people then.
Yeah,
So
them
them
are the top of
them
top.
are the top of top. Them are top class people.
That
Yeah,
means you guys
they are Diamond League. The rest of them down here is gold, silver, and bronze. They are diamond. Okay, guys, it's April's Food Day, but back home in Jamaica we say Storm Fool's Day. Because we are Jamaican and we are say Storm Fool's Day. Okay. So that's it, guys. So anyway, guys, we come to the end of the video.
So
like,
no prize, right?
subscribe, and share my motive. Like,
motivation.
like, subscribe, and hit my sponsorship so that it.
Sponsorship.
You could just say hit that button.
Why is your hand up?
I'm down here. Everybody, I just want to say that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and nobody was the beholder because I am the beholder and I won.
Girl, you Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but nobody never behold her beauty. Okay.
I am the beholder.
Then she alone behold her beauty. So anyway, guys, as I said, like, subscribe, and hit my notification bell so you don't miss a post and I post. And I am out of here. These people, my family, are one crazy mother freaking idiot people. They wouldn't know that. All right, guys, I'm gone.